So hey friends, it's road trip time. Vicki and I are heading to the beach. So we are in Galveston. We're fixing to take the ferry across to Boulevard Flats Beach. Do some camping on the beach.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
It's a pretty day. Weather, it's about mid-70s. It is January 5th. This'll do. Oh good, we're riding on the John Johnson. Bit redundant, but it looks seaworthy.
Your vehicle engine must be shut off and the parking brake set. Smoking is not allowed anywhere on this vessel or in your vehicle. Pets and all other animals must remain in your vehicle. Service animals that have a harness, leash, or tether, and accompanied by their emergency. Please exit your vehicle and follow the black on yellow arrows directing you to the muster stations at the far ends of the vessel. Once there, you will receive instructions from the ferry crew members. Thank you, and have a safe and pleasant trip.
Where's the dolphins? How do you call the dolphins? I don't think it worked. It jumped right there just a second ago. I just saw one. Where are we, Roo?
We're going to try this and you're going to be good.
Right?
You're not going to freak me out the first day, right?
What do you think, bud?
Stay in there.
You scared, yeah. Woke up to a dense fog advisory. Very cool. We can hear the foghorn going off in the distance. Can't see a single big ship though. Vicki's over there charging her jackery. Our bikes are getting ready to go for a ride. The dishes. Lovely day on the beach. Don't you? Yep. Vicki and I got here yesterday afternoon and found our little spot. We ended up cooking a lovely dinner. We had soup and grilled cheese by the campfire. It was quite lovely. Fog rolled in this morning. It's about burned off now, so we're gonna go for a bike ride. Check out this lovely beach. camper that's pulling that Jeep. That's pretty funny. Pretty funny.